Are spray tans or fake tans generally toxic? Unfortunately, for those of us who live in cold, cloudy countries, yes. Spray tans, particularly, of course, use aerosols, which the particles fly everywhere and can cause mild to severe issues with the skin and eyes and weaken the nasal passage, making you more susceptible to viruses. Now, the active ingredient in these products is dihydroxyacetone or DHA, and studies have shown that DHA can trigger the genetic mutations which could potentially lead to cancer. Now, not only this, but in the shorter term, inhaling DHA can lead to a whole host of other health problems, including respiratory illnesses. Don't get a spray tan, then wonder why you're more susceptible to coughs or viruses, skin conditions, and even lung cancer. And even the tanning creams and lotions contain high amounts of parabens, basically chemical preservatives, which in the long run lead to endocrine disruption and cancer. And to top it all off, DHA actually inhibits your body's ability to produce vitamin D, so you'll actually find it harder to tan naturally. You need enough essential fatty acids to be able to produce vitamin D and synthesize more vitamin D from the sun, and DHA prevents the absorption of these fat soluble vitamins. So if you're watching this, you need high dose omegas, not spray tans. All in all, regular spray tans can eventually lead to whichever cancer you're genetically predisposed to, and in the short term, they'll weaken immunity and make you much more susceptible to illness. So make sure to show this to your teenagers who are getting spray tans. And to end, there is no safe tanning bed either. Optimize your sleep and optimize your diet and absorption of minerals, and you will find it much easier to tan safely when the sun is out.